What's up, guys? A beautiful day today. It was a great morning. Today at 8 a.m. A guy from a real estate will visit me because we're going to see houses and apartments. Some of you know this is not my permanent apartment here in New York. We'll be here for a month, and after that I'll need to find my own apartment. Exciting to me because I never lived alone in my whole life. I hope I find my perfect apartment. I know it's something difficult here because it's a lot of people looking for the same apartment as you, but we will try. The first thing I did was meet Frank. He's a real estate broker who I really recommend. He's a very nice person. We walked to the subway to go directly to Brooklyn. Important to mention that it was my second time on a metro. I was reading that Brooklyn is a great place to live if you work in Times Square. But according with Frank, that's not totally true. I fell in love with Brooklyn. It's a very peaceful place to live in. And it was only at 25 minutes from New York and my work. Today I visited 3 apartments. This is the first one. I like the appearance in general and the walls, but it was not good as the others. All the apartments were in the top floor with no elevator, so yeah, free cardio every day. And don't get drunk, please. That was another apartment. It looks good from the outside, but not too much from the inside. The good part was that it has a rooftop with plants. I really like this one, but in that moment were people living there. At this moment, I still don't know what apartment to choose, but if you're planning to move here, I hardly recommend to have a real estate broker. They made the things easier. I know that represents more money, but in the future you will be glad. It's very funny here because you can film yourself, you can talk to a camera here and nobody's watching you like you're a crazy man. I'm going to take lunch and after that maybe take a nap and after that I will go to the gym. I don't know if this happens to you, but I always came home thinking that I lost something. Today, same lunch as yesterday! Surprise! Chicken, brown rice, and my salad. I choose to have the whole carrot to look like Bugs Bunny. This is New York at 7 p.m. and it looks like 2 p.m. But this is because we're in summer. I just finished the house hunting today. I went to Upper West. It's on the west side of the Central Park. The apartments, they were bigger and cheaper than Brooklyn, and Frank was told me that is because a lot of people think that Manhattan is more expensive. They move to Brooklyn and Brooklyn becomes expensive than Manhattan. Now I'm very proud of myself because now I can use the metro and I can get home with not checking my phone to see the directions. So I'm a New York guy now. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed my video. My idea is to make some videos in English, some videos in Spanish. If you like the video, please click on like, subscribe, and all that YouTuber things. And see you in the next video. Ciao!